Hello everyone. Welcome to the decoding video of the skincare products. Let's talk about one of the most buzzworthy ingredients in skincare, caffeine. This tiny molecule, beloved in our morning coffee, is also a powerhouse when it comes to your skin. It brings a whole arsenal of chemical and physiological effects that go beyond just waking you up. From reducing puffiness to protecting your skin from environmental damage, caffeine is the ultimate multitasker in your beauty routine. Here's a look at its magic, grounded in chemistry. 1. Antioxidant warrior. Caffeine is a natural antioxidant, meaning it fights off free radicals, those unstable molecules that wreak havoc on your skin, causing premature aging, wrinkles, and dullness. Caffeine, due to its nature of being soluble in both water and lipids, can quench free radicals in both aqueous and lipid environments, making it effective across various layers of the skin. Chemically, caffeine's structure is designed to neutralize these harmful molecules by donating electrons. Nitrogen and oxygen atoms help in electron donation, while the benzene ring helps in the delocalization of radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive species with unpaired electrons, such as hydroxyl radicals, superoxide anions, or peroxyl radicals. These radicals can damage cellular components like lipids, proteins, and DNA by initiating chain reactions. Caffeine disrupts the cycle through electron or hydrogen atom donation. Step 1. Interaction. A free radical approaches caffeine, which has delocalized electrons in its xanthine ring system. Step 2. Electron donation. Caffeine donates an electron or a hydrogen atom to the free radical, neutralizing it. This step stabilizes the free radical, effectively quenching it and prevents further damage. Step 3. Resonance stabilization of caffeine radical. After donating an electron or hydrogen atom, caffeine forms a caffeine radical. This radical is stabilized through resonance delocalization across the aromatic xanthine ring system. The delocalization reduces the reactivity of the caffeine radical, making it far less likely to cause secondary damage. Step 4. Termination of free radical chain reactions. Caffeine-derived radicals can combine with other radicals, terminating the reaction. This results in the formation of stable, non-damaging products. This process protects your skin cells from UV damage, pollution, and oxidative stress, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. 2. Inflammation tamer. If redness, puffiness, or irritation is your concern, caffeine is here to help. It works by blocking pro-inflammatory enzymes like COX-2 and cytokines such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. At the cellular level, this calms your skin and reduces redness, making it especially effective for conditions like acne or rosacea. Say goodbye to irritated, inflamed skin. 3. Vasoconstriction magic. Here's where caffeine really shines. It tightens blood vessels. By inhibiting phosphodiesterase enzymes, it increases SAMP levels in cells, leading to vasoconstriction. This is why caffeine is a go-to ingredient for reducing under-eye puffiness, dark circles, and facial redness. Think of it as a mini shrink wrap for your blood vessels. Dark under-eye circles can be caused by dilated blood vessels beneath the thin skin in the area. Tightening these vessels reduces the pooling of blood, which minimizes the dark appearance. 4. Fat breakdown specialist. Caffeine also targets fat cells through a process called lipolysis. By activating enzymes like lipase, it breaks down stored triglycerides into free fatty acids and glycerol. Topically, this translates into a temporary reduction in the appearance of cellulite and smoother skin texture. While it's no replacement for lifestyle changes, caffeine can give your skin a firmer, more toned look. 5. Photo protection partner. Caffeine doesn't just repair, it prevents. When your skin is exposed to UV rays, caffeine promotes apoptosis or, in simpler words, controlled cell death in damaged skin cells, preventing them from becoming cancerous. Think of it as a quality control mechanism for your skin, complementing your sunscreen and reducing photoaging risks. 6. Circulation booster. By antagonizing adenosine receptors, caffeine stimulates blood flow and oxygen delivery to the skin. This enhances microcirculation, giving your skin a healthy glow and boosting nutrient delivery to the deeper layers. The result? A brighter, more rejuvenated complexion. 7. Penetration enhancer. Here's a chemistry bonus. Caffeine's amphiphilic nature, which means it is soluble in both water and lipids, allows it to act as a penetration enhancer. This means it helps other active ingredients in your skincare products, such as antioxidants or peptides, absorb more effectively, amplifying their benefits. Studies demonstrate that over 99% of caffeine applied topically becomes bioavailable within 5 to 10 minutes. What works well with caffeine? Caffeine is a team player when paired with the right ingredients. Here's how you can supercharge its effects. 1. Antioxidants such as vitamin E and coenzyme Q10. Together, they form a dream team against oxidative stress, preventing wrinkles and environmental damage. 2. Hyaluronic acid. It adds hydration while caffeine tightens and depuffs, creating a plumped, refreshed look. 3. Retinoids. Caffeine's anti-inflammatory properties soothe redness from retinoid use while boosting anti-aging effects. 4. Niacinamide. It strengthens the skin barrier and evens out skin tone, complementing caffeine's calming effects. 5. Exfoliating acids including AHAs/BHAs. By sloughing off dead skin, these acids enhance caffeine's ability to penetrate deeper and deliver its benefits. 6. Sunscreens. Caffeine amplifies UV protection, neutralizing free radicals generated by sun exposure. Ingredients to avoid with caffeine. While caffeine is versatile, some combinations should be approached with care. Copper peptides. Caffeine can chelate copper ions, reducing the effectiveness of these peptides for skin repair and collagen synthesis. Glutathione. Caffeine binds to cysteine in glutathione, potentially impairing its antioxidant activity. Unstabilized vitamin C. It accelerates caffeine's oxidation, diminishing the efficacy of both. Why caffeine deserves a spot in your skincare routine? Caffeine isn't just a trendy ingredient. It's a scientifically validated multitasker. Whether you're battling puffiness, redness, or the early signs of aging, caffeine brings both immediate and long-term benefits. With its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powers, it's a key player in protecting your skin from environmental damage while enhancing its natural glow. Just remember to pair it wisely for the best results. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends and let them know how important it is to have more knowledge about the chemical ingredients in skincare products. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it can be the biggest support for us. Until next time, stay glowing.